I am Anuj Charyan. I had recently enrolled in Rpa-BluePrism course from AllPro Technologies. For a very long time, I was searching for a genuine institute, but I was not convinced to join any because either the institutes were not genuine or due to high cost or the trainers were not up to the mark. Then I came across AllPro Technologies through one of my friends. First, I had checked out their website and then I had contacted them through WhatsApp. The minute I had contacted regarding the course, I was given all the very minute details regarding the courses. Then I had enrolled for the courses. I was able to join the next batch in the very next day that I had enrolled, and I had recently completed the courses as well. I would highly recommend anyone who is from technical and even non-technical background, as they are taking the classes very professionally with very structured syllabus. They are offering the courses for many other technologies as well other than automations and BluePrism. They are taking from many technologies as well. So I highly recommend anyone who is looking for a career boost to connect with AllPro Technologies. Thank you.